Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Uh, so in the last video, I had 800 and some dollars to pass my next account to get another funded account, and I went on here and passed it. So I didn't actually pay for it till this morning. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take before it pop up, but I added another. What's it? Oh, here we go, right here. So now I got 3 funded accounts because I passed that one. I got 2 uh evals. And so now I'm just gonna link like these top 2 funded accounts and then have an extra funded just sitting off to the side just in case something happen. I got a trade right here I could take, but I need to group some stuff together, which I could just, I don't have this set up. I could move these 2. Let me see, is it, oh, it's actually these 2 that I need. And save. That's how you group them. You can pull them over from over here. And I got one right there, but I already got the group pick, so I need to have 6 contracts on. Ooh, brother. But I want to put one right here, a sale. But for up here, well, I can't go look at them yet. But I'll show y'all once I get a little time.
Order filled.
Just need this little bit of pullback. I'm not sure if y'all seen the big gap down, but it's trying to recover this gap down over here on the 1 hour. I'm trying to let it get down more towards 90. See if it could. Okay, let's take that out.
Order filled.
Oh, that was only $55, but whatever. But that's 2 accounts, 55. So what we trying to say is, oh, I was gonna show you my trailing drawdown. I got to get out of the group stuff. So on this one, I have 1863. This one I just started. So, or no, this ain't the one I just started. This one got 24.95. This is a eval. It's got 1365 left on it. I'm 500 up. This one has just the new one, so I probably want to trade that. And this one, eval. Today I'm gonna mainly just trade my funded accounts, and then I go do after that I'll trade this account a little bit later. Or no, I'm gonna do a series, so I'm gonna trade this one, the new one I just got. So watch that series. One, because I'm gonna trade it separately from these accounts to try to get it funded and get to a first payout on it. But I ain't gonna sit here and just hold the video and draw it out any longer. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it till we get another setup. And that being another trade a few seconds ago. Couldn't find the pause on my OBS. Don't know what's up that about.
Order filled.
Up 127 now. Got out of them. So let me try to figure out this. I'm gonna probably take like one more, make this a quick video, and then but until I find another setup, because I'm trying to get I'm gonna try to get this to about $200, and then I'll be done trading it. Then I can mess with my other accounts. Trying to inch this up, like I said. This said 15, so we had close to being able to get a payout. Well, I think it's like you got to get it over 2100, and then from there you can start looking for payouts. But I got a little bit to go before I could actually take a payout. But I'll just start back up soon as another setup present itself. So I'm not sure if you looking down here, but I blew one of my dang on funded or evals. I'm a little salty off of it because it was the one that was up, and I think it started I'm gonna have to go back in the video, but I have said how much it was up in the beginning of the video, but just blew it trying to take a trade and ended up getting stopped out on this big push up. Couldn't get out in time, and being a little stubborn, like looking at it as it was extended and thinking it was gonna come back down. Held on too long. Sometimes that's what happened. Uh, you hesitate or you don't stick to the plan and stop out when you're supposed to, and you can mess around and blow up an account, and that's what ended up happening. So I done blew up. At least it wasn't one of my funded accounts, but when you've been trading for a while or you don't have a lot of money to just sit there and keep just throw out. So a lot of people who trade and don't get profitable right off or take them a minute to get profitable, they start dialing back on a risk to try to last longer, which that's what you should do in the beginning anyway, instead of trying to go for big home run swings, which funded accounts that made it a lot easier for trading where you spend less, but your probabilities of becoming funded are actually kind of lower. So with trading a funded account and they have their rules, then you need to have your own rules. And if you can't stick to your rules and their rules, you can mess around and blow up your account. So and I ended up blowing up one of my evals, and I just was trying to be transparent, let y'all know that I blew the eval. So I must grab another one and we'll start that over again. But if y'all having problems with those, even if passing evals and you end up passing the eval and getting a funded account, I know a lot of times we pass evals and still can't even get to a payout. I know because I done it plenty of times. If you look at the numbers on the end, it say 5 and 6. These are all just my 6 eval that I passed, and I just passed one Friday, so that's gonna be 7. So I got 7 evals passed, but I haven't taken the payout yet. So all the other ones been blown. So just like some of y'all trying passing the eval can be one thing, and getting that payout, it can be a troublesome sometime. So don't get discouraged. We're gonna keep marching at this. I got 3 funded. I'm gonna keep working on trying to get another eval, being stupid, being stubborn, holding on to a trade. I done blew this one, so we'll pause it though. Try to catch one more trade. I funded to try to get it closer to 200, even though I shouldn't have a monetary goal. It's just if something's set up, then I'm gonna take it. That's all there is to it. But I'm gonna pause it and I'll get back once something's set up. I take this quick entry. Hopefully, you seem to want to pull away from me. Pop back up, come back down. Come on, bro. We can get this last one. I'm trying to see if I want to move it up just a little bit. Stop out above this area right here. Well, I guess I'm gonna pause it because it's running away from me now. And I'll come back if we get the entry. Missed the dang on entry on the trade, but it's coming along right now. So trying to get it closer towards 80 before I take this exit. Hopefully it don't turn around and go on me. But like I said, my stop out is above this. I'm looking for a close above it to stop out. I'm hoping it don't do it. But it's back up at 50 or 25, 300. There we go. Ooh,
Order filled.
Dang. That's why I had that order sitting there. But look at this. Look at this action. But yeah, I ended up 264. Got a little bit more than what I was looking for. Thank goodness. So now this account chugging along. What's this? The 05 one. 51,677 on that. And my trailing drawdown is at 2065. And if y'all remember, this is the account that I brought back from when it was down close to 300 left before it was blown on my funded account. And this one at 54.89. So, but those are trades I'm gonna take for the day. And here, if you like these type of videos, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a video for y'all up here so y'all could check this one out. I used the other thing, my bad. And we'll talk later. Deuces.